Stop using Google the wrong way. I bet you didn't know this one simple trick that will save you hours of work every single week. How many times have you searched for something on Google only to get millions of results that are completely useless? You're looking for a specific document, maybe a PDF guide or a PowerPoint presentation, but you end up scrolling through endless blog posts and news articles. It's so frustrating and a massive waste of time. You know the file is out there, but Google just won't show it to you. Well, that ends today. Here's the secret that 99% of people don't know. You can tell Google exactly what type of file you're looking for. It's called a search operator. Let me show you how it works. Okay, let's say I'm looking for a beginner's guide to photography, and I want it as a PDF file so I can download it. Instead of just typing beginner's guide to photography, I'm going to add something special. I'll type beginner's guide to photography and then add file type PDF. See that? FILETYP:PDF, no spaces. Now hit enter, and boom, look at this. Every single result on this page is a direct link to a PDF document. No blog posts, no ads, just the files I actually want. I can click on any of these, and it takes me straight to the PDF. Let's try another one. Maybe I need a business plan template, and I want it in a PowerPoint format. Easy. I'll search for business plan template and then add file type PPT. Again, check out these results. Instantly, I have dozens of PowerPoint templates ready to download and use. This works for almost any file type: Doc for Word documents, XLS for Excel spreadsheets, you name it. Think about the time this saves. Instead of spending 15 minutes digging through irrelevant junk, you get exactly what you need in less than 15 seconds. This isn't just about finding files faster. It's about working smarter. You can find research papers, official reports, user manuals, and templates in a snap. This one trick has legitimately saved me hundreds of hours over the years. So go try this right now. The next time you're searching for a specific document, use the file type operator. You'll be amazed. If this blew your mind, drop a like on this video. And let me know in the comments which Google hack you want me to reveal next. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more secrets they don't want you to know.